Several days later.
The next morning.
7 hours later.
End of flashback.
3 days later. 24 hours later. 1 hour later. 3 hours later. A few moments later. Tomorrow. 2,000 years later. 12 o'clock midnight. Day 4. 2 hours later. Day 3. Many months later. Later. The next day. 2,000 years later. Later. Many months later.